Hello everyone and welcome back to the Prime Coding channel. So today we have a bad news and might be the good news for others is no she hiring. What do I mean by no she hiring? Guys, for girls diversity hiring, Microsoft is stop doing that. Yes. In the future, you will not see diversity hiring conducted by Microsoft. And why I'm telling you this, what can be the reason or might be the reason, or do we have another diversity hiring in the future, or other company do conduct it? Yes, other company till now no updates. They will conduct about code hires and conducted by Walmart, as well as the diversity hiring conducted by uh, Adobe. So in the future you can see it, but for now Microsoft has stopped doing that. And in this video we'll see what would be the reason behind it. Okay, because we have tried to get few intakes. It might be the wrong assumptions, but as per me this could be the reason. Okay, so no she hiring or only she hiring would be the topic. So now why they have might be remove this particular diversity hiring. So this picture you might have saw. I'm not telling it this would be the reason, but this picture you might have saw on the LinkedIn, Twitter, or any other social handle. This picture consists of only girl student. There is only boy. I would definitely let you know in the very first places Piyush Bhattnagar, and rest all are the girls. Now you can see how many packages were offered by Microsoft and how many big tech giants has offered only to the girls candidate. It might be the girls are being very hard worker than a boys as compared to, but I don't say that because both of the genders would be very equal according to me. But I would say, what is the issue? Do the boys doesn't have any much knowledge how to crack all these companies, or they might be lagging in behind the preparation, and these girls have a good path? It is very nice, but after trending of at least 1 week, this pic was trending on the LinkedIn or Twitter for 1 week. Then we get to know about this news, which is Microsoft will no longer do diversity hiring. The whole diversity hiring team was fired yesterday. Great decision coming in front from Microsoft. So this is a particular engineer that we have found over the Twitter, and we thought this news would definitely guide you up for girls and to the boys too. So you can see how many views is there on this particular news, and it is very recent news, which is a day after before. So you can see diversity hiring has been stopped by Microsoft, where no one get a privilege like a gender privilege. Only girls can give this exam, or everyone need to compete with each other, which shows equality, and they need to get their offers by their own hard work. And now, as you can see, there is a report by Business Today, I guess. Microsoft Shop repeatedly fires BEI, which is diversity hiring team, becoming a latest company to ditch woke policy. Okay, so now you might be thinking, what is the particular article is? The link would be in the description. If you want to go into the depth, you can just go through it. But the overview of it, it is for just cord cutting and to give equality to every student who is competing with each other. It might be the reason of the Microsoft for removing diversity hiring. Now, if you want any resources to study, like how you can do it and how you can prepare for it, so right now I have also created a guided path where you can get beneficial, or you can get benefits by doing all these video, such as podcast how this candidate was mentored by me has cracked TCS Digital, as well as how you can crank the Accenture, and the latest news whether TCS will hire you or delay. Okay, now you might be thinking one-to-one mock interview session. For every session, we have for every request we have a solution for it, because nowadays people don't know how to create their resume, what all the points that they need to improve in their resume, what all doubts they have, how they can represent themselves, how to frame the answer, how to keep things into the mind. All the things would be resolved in this interview session. As you can see, ace your interview, expert feedback, a real world simulation and boost your confidence. See, in every interview, if you got an interview chance, you might be very nervous or underconfident, or it might be the overconfident. So why don't you test yourself? It might be the session will definitely help you out, because as of now, I have mentored no one get demoted in TCS exam as well as other service-based companies. They are got their respective roles, and for the few resting few members. But www.primecoding.com.in is your solution of your overconfidentness, confidence, and less confidence, underconfident, I would say, even though being nervous. Everything I will let you know how you can overcome all these issues which are lying inside you. Okay, now I will let you know how you can book the session. Now, as you can see, www.primecoding.in is our website, and this is me, Aditya Mishra, and you can see elevate your skills with Prime Coding mentorships. Okay, now expert crafted questions, diverse session types, because in every session we usually ask you for which role you got shortlisted. Okay, then we curate a list of questions that can be asked to you. The hard work that you need to do, we are doing it for you. You just need to come on our website. We'll do hard work behalf of you. We'll create a list of questions and analyze the patterns and create the new questions, whether you are able to answer those. If you are able to answer all the questions that we have created, which means you will definitely get your offer letter. Is it? So flexible booking options, personalized guidance, comprehensive support, and continuous improvement. And there are few feedback which are given by our Prime community member. If you have not joined the Telegram group, I will highly recommend you to join a Telegram group. And one payment and endless opportunity. For anything, you just need to click on book now. Then a form will pop up to you. You just need to fill this and save and proceed. Then you can choose your session date and we'll meet you in the session. So I would definitely tell you, ask yourself whether you are prepared for the interviews. If not, then this place is just for you. Just for you. If you're not believing my words, nowadays I've started putting podcast as you have saw in the particular presentation that I have given. In that, many people were mentored by me. In the future, I will upload all these. Those who got the result, we are inviting them on our platform to give their experience. Okay, so stay with us, believe on us, and you will definitely crack your offer. So subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Like this video, put a comment what do you think upon the diversity hiring, and do let us know any recommendation, any that you want. If you have any doubts, I am the very first person to give you the answers. And yes, we'll meet you with a new video soon.